Hello everyone, just delay. This is Wangmo. Welcome back to my channel. Recently, Lhasa has been able to go out normally. Before, in my rest time, I like to take a walk here, relax the body and my mind. Yes, today I'll take you to one of my regular haunts, Zonchop Lukhang Park, behind the Potala Palace. Because in winter it can be called a popular place for many locals to go. So maybe you will curious about why many locals, even the tourists, like to go. Let's check it. Because in Lhasa, you can visit the peachy blossoms at Pabonka in spring, the mountains and the lakes at Namso in summer, and the fallen leaves outside the city in autumn. So in winter, you can visit the migratory birds at Zonchop Lukhang Park in Lhasa. Every city in China seems to have a people's park, and Zonchop Lukhang is Lhasa's people's park. In addition to circumambulating and worshipping Buddha, local people like to gather here in their spare time, basking in the sun, feeding fish, dancing, drinking a bowl of sweet tea, and chatting. There is a lake in the park called the Dragon King's Pool. Was the 17th century when the Potala Palace expansion in a large amount of earth water into the pool. Every winter, birds fly to the park's artificial lake to spend the winter. Here, you do not have to go to the mountains and the rivers, just quietly as usual life. You can enjoy the beautiful migratory birds, record their play picture. Zonchop Lukhang Park is a good place to watch and photograph the birds as they hover over the frozen lake. Many bird watchers and photographers come to capture the stunning moments and graceful posture of the birds. Birds sit leisurely on the ice, lazily enjoy the Lhasa sunbathing. So in the winter, the Vitality bird added a beautiful scenery to the Zonchop Lukhang Park. Every year when the migratory bird season comes, the people who feed the fish will also bring some extra grain to feed them. Moreover, it is understood that the staff of the park management office will feed the birds regularly and quantitatively, so the public do not have to worry about the birds' hunger. This sign says, "초난도 괜히 탐사 자유미촉 대랭게 챙우체 고 니가 동기" in Tibetan. It means it is strictly prohibited to put garbage and all kinds of food into the lake. Otherwise, the violator will be fined 200 RMB. I think the management office just wants to remind the public and visitors to help to not to affect the health of the birds. Every winter, even if the weather is cold, there are different people here at different times. In the morning, I like to go there to breathe the fresh air. In the evening, I'd like to go there for a walk after dinner. Of course, in winter, a lot of birds can be seen everywhere in Zonchop Lukhang Park, adding a beautiful scenery to Lhasa. Whether you are a bird lover or not, you are welcome to come and see for yourself. Okay, it's time to say goodbye to everyone. See you next time. Do not forget to subscribe me. I'll show you more videos about Tibet. See you next time. Bye. Just delay.